Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you hadn't guessed already, we're doing a Halloween tutorial on Violet Beauregarde, however you want to say it. This is super easy, by the way, so if you want like a last minute Halloween makeup look, and if you either have hair like mine or you have like a white wig or something, then this is literally perfect. All you need is like some blue eyeshadow and you're good to go. Okay, so I've done like my foundation, contour, that sort of thing. I've just basically done my base. I'm going to go on and do my eyebrows now. And of course, I'm using my Anastasia pomade in chocolate. Now, just to fill in like any sparse gaps here, I'm using my Brown Light Contour Pro from Benefit, because if you don't know, I work with them now, so. I'm just taking my Eraser Concealer from Maybelline. This is in shade Light, with my MAC 212 brush. So I'm just sorting. I've got like a bit of concealer foundation on my eyes, so I'm just making sure it's not creased. Over my eyes, I'm actually using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm not going to use this for the splurge of Violet because I think the shades are just slightly off, and I don't want my eyes completely matching the centre of my face because then it will look like it's splurged onto my eyes, which I don't want it to look like that. I want it just to look quite central. I'm going in with Amethyst from this palette, using a large fluffy brush. I'm now going into Saffron with a smaller fluffy brush. With my finger, I'm just taking Angelic and popping that on my lid. And with the remaining concealer left on this brush from earlier, I'm just gonna like create that sharp line for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with a pen eyeliner. In the Lip Definer Crayon by Body Shop. I don't know if it has a shade colour unless I've sharpened it off. I don't know. And to fill in the rest of my lips, I'm using Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in shade Bombshell. Okay, so now that's dry, I'm just popping some like clear lip gloss on top. I have no idea what lip gloss this is, by the way, guys. All I know is it smells like cherries and it's very old. Onto the scary bit. So first of all, I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going in with the shade, what's it called? Oh my god, it's called Twerk. That's hilarious. This, it comes out less blue than it looks. It comes out more of a violet, which is exactly what I want. Oh my god, I'm actually really scared to do this. I'm not using my finger, by the way. I'm just seeing how it looks. just going in with this like small little rounded brush. I literally have no idea where it's come from, who made it or whatever, but it just fits in really nicely, and yeah. Really makes my nose look very ugly, to be honest. It makes it look like I've got some fucked up nose. I'm just pressing it just so it's not too harsh and you get that like stippled effect. I've just been using this one colour the whole time, by the way. I'm not like going in with like a lighter colour or anything. It's just because the colour's dispersed, so. And now I'm just gonna get like a smaller brush. Oh my god. I use this for my powder, but I'm sacrificing it and I'm gonna wash it. I'm just going to go in with the darker blue and just start on my nose here. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you what darker blue I'm using. Lol. I'm in my Magic by Juvia's palette, and I'm going into, oh my god, how am I meant to say that? Yehedi, Yecheti, Yecheti, Yehide, Yehide? I have no idea. So beautiful. I'm getting a very small brush and I'm just spraying it with, like, you could use Fix Plus. I don't actually have Fix Plus at the moment, so I'm just using the Body Shop Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist. So it looks like this. I'm just spraying it on my brush. Back into the Juvia's palette. On the other side, there's one called If, or Ife, or however you'd say it. So I'm just popping my wet brush in there, and I'm just creating like little vein-like things coming out. You've got violet. Okay then, watch what I say then. Okay, so just use I'm going mental. So using that same brush that I used before, I'm going into this Faso. I know how to say these names. And I'm just doing like a little bit of highlight. So I'd say we're almost done. I just need to add some lashes and then we're good to go. I think I'm just gonna pop on these ones because although like this is glam, Violet is also a little girl, so I don't want to go too much, and they're just like little side ones like that. Okay, so that is my lashes on. They're very natural looking. They're just like little half ones. And then I'm just popping the roller lash on my bottom lashes as well. Just popping some eyeliner in my waterline. This is just a soft kohl eyeliner from Rimmel. So now to the hair. Oh my god, that looks awful. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and make sure to subscribe and like this video for me. That would be much appreciated. Also, if you have any questions or you have any looks that you'd like me to create for Halloween or just however, you can message me on my Instagram. I'll put it down below, and also I'm gonna list everything that I use down below as well. I'll see you later, guys.